Hey my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, y'all. I kind of been gone for a while. It's because like it's just been a lot of stuff going on, but I'm back. And today is a collaboration day because I am collaborating with Miss Ebony, better known as High Frequency Seeker, on YouTube. And we are doing like a makeup and tarot card reading today, and my look is gonna be inspired by the tarot card reading that she gave me. And I really did enjoy the tarot card reading that she gave me, and I even wrote down some notes from the tarot card reading that she gave me. And when y'all are finished watching my video, y'all make sure y'all go over there and watch her video. And thank y'all for tuning in. And don't forget to go show her some love and tell her that August sent you, because like she is all about positive vibes and positive energy, and she give good advice over there, and she even does makeup look sometimes. And I'm really glad that she reached out to me to do this collaboration with her. And the first card that she pulled was embrace. The word was embrace. It's like embrace your wisdom, and I really like that, because to me I really do feel like that I have matured over the years, and you know I got a little bit smarter as time went by. And you know I guess when you like in your 30s, you start thinking more about your life and what's gonna happen in your life and all that good stuff. And the other word that she put was release. Like be bold, be daring, do something different in your life. And I'm really glad she put that card, because sometimes like I do tend to stay in my comfort zone, but I am going to try to step out of my comfort zone, and I'm going to try like a different color with this makeup look today. And I remember the other word she put was remember. Like remember to have faith and to stay positive, and you know, and just you know have hope, and just pray that everything will be okay. And I really did enjoy that. It's like she was feeling my vibes through the phone. Like, oh my gosh, like how did you do this? But anyways, y'all, like I said, don't forget to go over there and watch her video when y'all finish. And if y'all want to see what I come up with, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look right here. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section below. Let me know, did I embrace the boldness? Did I get out of my comfort zone? Because I think I did, because I normally don't like play in like bold colors like this like I did today. And even though I kind of messed up on the eyeshadow look, I think it turned out okay with me trying to play with the gold and the blue and the green eyeshadow. I mean, it kind of got mixed in together, but I think I did okay because I normally don't use colors like this. And also with the glitter and the shimmery lip, I like the way it turned out. I really do. And I'm really glad that Ebony collaborated with me today to come together so she can give y'all that card reading and with the makeup look that I created. So that was pretty neat. It was pretty fun. I did enjoy this video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it too. And like I said, when y'all get done watching my video, y'all make sure y'all go over there to her channel and check her out as well. She has all type of great videos. And if y'all are interested in this unit that I have on, I do have a recent video with this unit right here, and y'all can check that out too. And I'm just happy with the look that I created. I'm very happy about it. Like, I think I did good. I think I did good. And by the way, if y'all didn't know, like, you throw hoop earrings on y'all, like, hoop earrings give y'all superpowers. Like, hoop earrings make anything look good, y'all. All y'all do is, like, put your makeup on, put some hoop earrings on, you good to go. But I hope y'all have a good day. I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to go over to Miss High Frequency Seekers channel